The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Robert, good morning. Thank you, Ed. Sound is good. Fellas, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Michael, good morning. Very good morning, guys. Hope everyone had it. Lita, good morning. Pascal, good morning. Michael, hope you all had a great afternoon. I have updated the market structure indicator. You'll notice, maybe you haven't, but if you look closely, I am now using version 3.0. I'll go over some of the changes or some of the things that were added in this version. Good morning, Chuck. I do have yellow lines. You noticed? Yeah. Yeah, there's a few things on here, guys, that are not readily visible yet, but good morning, Lisa. I'll cover these things. Good morning, Edward. Well, Andrew, good morning. I will cover these things in the morning, I guess, a meeting after we do charts. I'm going to go over what's changed and what you guys can look for. And then I'll find out how long to get this version registered. And we'll get it in the member area. There are additional things coming. We're just not there yet. In any event, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was a fairly good trade for order flow, and the original bot had another whale of a session. The Algo 3.1 finished exactly at zero, literally zero. Two trades finished break even. 3.1 and 3.2 finished down, and the 500 tick once again finished green. On the 500 tick, I have begun as of yesterday officially tracking the numbers. Right, so prior to yesterday, they were kind of unofficial. I ran it for 2 or 3 weeks. Obviously made a lot of money. I will now officially be tracking the 500 tick. Okay. In any event, let's get on with it. I do not have Trade the News this morning. They're down. So I'm not sure what we have, and I'm unable to check news. I will find out what the issue. I don't know why they're down. It happens on occasion, but I have no squawk, and I don't even know what we have for news today. I know tomorrow we have ADP. Friday we have non-farm payrolls. I don't know what we have for Fed speakers. So if anyone can let me know, that'd be great. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology, thank you, Lori, 10 a.m. news and 11 a.m. Fed speaker, is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. Come on down, big guy. 19 sellers. We're sitting at 19 sellers. 22, 23, 24. One tick to target. 33. Small buyers. All right, here comes top of the hour in 48 seconds. See if we can get a push here, top of the hour. Missed target by a tick.
53 on gold.
Six 57.75 next. Trade the runner as you see fit. $1,200 on the buyers. Oh, double top tier. Watch this 56. 57.75 is what I have.
Nine. There, Robert. My next target on crude.
Okay.
Or how many do you have left?
None.
Oh, okay. Okay. Never mind.
I took them all at first target. We talked about that, guys, in the pre-market. That was the confluence of that 50 and 200 day. I don't think it's selling off any further. Come on, one more small push. Got to get above 77.
Stop fill.
Okay, out. Small winner, losing trade on the first trade. Could get. Got to get above 87, and this goes 96. If anybody's still up.
Be some sort of news on crude.
Oh, Nikes.
Watch your gold trade.
Gold's on the cusp of breaking out above 72.
I agree.
Or target filled.
All right, there's a target.
Stop filled.
And out. Two small winners, one target only.
Order canceled.
There's target one, target two on the 500 tick. Look at this breakout. Wee-hoo.
Nice trade.
Order canceled.
Okay, 720. Come on. Pump up the jam, baby.
I'll go crude.
Order filled.
It's the bot.
Target order filled.
All right, add it in. Get above 23. Let's go, baby. Come on. I'll take one at 19.75. That's the bot. All right, I took one off at 19.75. Need to break above this 23 and it's going to rip. 45 or so is next target.
Anybody have any left on gold?
Stop filled.
Or crude? Crude.
Yeah, long gold.
Okay. My stop, I just adjusted to 68.1.
I'll take that 23 half breakout.
Order submitted.
43 would be target.
Order submitted.
What?
Look at this.
Yeah, man.
You call it all the way back at 31, something like that.
94. On this trade.
Nice.
Come on.
Order filled.
Got it. Target hit, fellas. That's the first area of resistance I had.
No, I'm talking about a market open.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Nice trade.
I mean, they're buying them. I've got 74 as the next target. All right, guys. I don't know how. I think we've taken like 3 trades. I'm at 1900. And now we're just kind of sitting. I don't have any shorts, so there's another winner. I've got lag. We're at
Target
02.
filled.
Target 2. I've got lag. We're at 02. Now we've pulled back to 80 something. 90.
Stop filled.
Okay. Bot's now green. 2 big trades.
Order filled.
$3,200 on the buyers. Another winner. Winners, chicken dinners, every frickin' place on the 3 for 3 on the 500 tick.
Order canceled.
Out $1,700. All right.
Order filled.
I'm flat. Split fill on the stops. I don't like that.
Sorry, I was on mute. I didn't realize it.
All right, guys, this will put the bot over 1,000 again. I'm going to shut it off after this is the last trade for me.
Target filled.
Yeah, that's because you didn't change it, Brandon. You have to change it in the settings. Go to your indicators. You guys not watch the videos in the member area? I mean, I walk you through setting them up. I mean, if this gets that last target at 64, and it can, well, I mean, naturally there's going to be some discrepancies because it depends on when I did the video. I mean, it could be a year old, but the concepts are the same, right? Secondary filters. And then all you have to do is go to the settings, say for the Ninja Ranko, which are in the member area, and it says 30 seconds. All right, well, commonsensically, I have to change something to 30 seconds. But just change it from 5 minutes to 30 seconds and make sure it's checked. Because if you uncheck it, you'll see white. Make sure it's checked. Guys, if this gets that other target, this will be up over 2 grand. I mean, this is the last trade for me on the bot today. It's 10-10. Anything, $1,000 is huge. We're at 4,400 buyers. This is going to 675. I didn't think we'd get here that quick. Is there anybody running the original bot on my Ninja Renko setting? Okay. You're up 3 grand in an Apex account. Nice. Up 1790, 980. .30 and 30 range. Okay, Veronica. I mean, for those of you guys that have, combination between the algos and the original bot, we got enough systems that make enough money. That everybody should be very healthy. 3, 1, 2, and 3 have taken no trades for me today yet. But you guys know these directional moves suck for the algo.
Why?
Because we need the pullback in the swings because it executes on the swing with Delta. So without the swings, we don't, like if you look at this 30-second, there's no signals. We're not getting these swings. We're getting, there's a signal here, but I don't use that one. Now this one, I don't know why it didn't take. That's an algo swing. It should have gone long at 548. I don't know why it didn't. I don't know what the delta was though. All right, guys, up 1870 on the bot. It'd be in another long and going to target again. I've shut it off. It's done for the day. I'm looking for a pullback to around 10, 11, 12 for a long. Fun time's over. Watch it break long above 59.50. Everybody have a good day today. We shouldn't have anybody that did not make money. Okay. I'll give you my totals. Algo 3, 1, 2, and 3 have yet to take a trade. They'll run for another 60 minutes, but they have not taken a trade today. The 500 tick on the algo, I shut off up 1,700. The original bot up 1870. You got one trade on 3-1? I have not had a trade. The original bot up 1870 when I shut it off. And order flow or discretionary trades using market structure up 24.15. Was up 270 for you. Anybody else get a trade on 3-1? That's interesting.